Hi my loves, for today's video I am going to share with you my skincare routine. It starts right after I am out the shower by applying my DIY lotion all over my body. I like to use my very own body lotion or cream, however you want to call it. It's rich in shea butter, vitamin E, vegetable oils. I also like to put some essential oils in there. Lavender is my favorite. I will link a video to my DIY body lotion on the top right corner if you guys are interested in trying your own. I personally prefer to apply the lotion right after I'm out the shower when my pores are open and moist. The oils and the shea butter in the cream locks the moisture in, which allows my skin to stay moisturized all day long. Now, if you're not a DIY type of person, I totally get it. That's why I have a couple options for you. The first one is Aroma Bar. Aroma Bar is a small business owned by Amanda. She came up with her recipe a couple years ago, and I have to say it is pretty good. I will link her website in the description box below, as well as her promo code, which is actually Luisa10 for 10% off. She sent me the vanilla scent, which I really like, but she also has pumpkin. She also does soaps and lip balm. And you know, guys, I'm all about supporting my independent entrepreneur women. So let's give them some love if we can, right? The next lotion is called Elovie. Elovie is also a small business owned by a woman. Her name is Kelly, and Kelly came up with her recipe back in 2014, and she's been selling them ever since. We're talking about a different consistency. This one is a little bit more on the grainy side, and you do have to also warm up the lotion between your hands to melt those little grains, and you'll get a nice and smooth lotion that will give you a great hydration all day round. Kelly sent me the tangerine smell, which I like in the morning because it kind of like wakes me up nicely. I will link her website in the description box as well as her promo code. Feel free to check her out. Now that I'm done taking care of my body, it is time to take care of my face. The line of product that I've been loving this year is from the brand Instant Natural. I will link the website down below for you guys to see what they are about. First, I will start with the toner to reopen my pores and rehydrate my face. This one is rose water based. Next, I go in with the hyaluronic acid. It has become one of my favorite acid to put on my face. Not that I put a lot of acid on my face anyways, but I have to say this one is excellent. It's a great anti-wrinkle. It's a great source of hydration. It's really due to the fact that it has the capacity to retain a large amount of water, which you know, it's always good for the skin, especially the face, especially that time of the year, winter time, where the air is so dry and cold. You know what I mean. Now I'm applying my eye gel. It is the Youth Express eye gel from Instant Natural, and it claims to firm and tighten the appearance of my skin. But I can't change your mind. On the dangerous side of letting go in paradise, we become something so hard for me to recognize. I personally like to apply it in circular motion around my eyes and a little bit above my eyebrows, as well as around my nose and mouth. Shaded by the shadows of your insecurity. Don't know what to do in this great. Next, I'm applying the lotion on my face that I like to mix with my own DIY face oil. I like to call it the anti-wrinkle face oil. I have a video on how to make this anti-wrinkle oil that I will link in the top right corner for you. So I like to mix those two together because the face lotion from Instant Natural called Firming DMAE Moisturizer is not moisturizing enough for me. So I'm adding my own little touch to it and I apply it all over my face. And now it's time for what I call the lifting. It's, I guess it's called like face yoga. It's pretty much I'm massaging my face, I'm massaging the muscles, I am massaging my lymphatic nodes to help my skin stay firm, to prevent from sagging, to stimulate the blood so that I have less wrinkle. This is something that my mom showed me when I was a little girl and that I am showing to my daughter now, and hopefully she'll show it to her daughter if she has one day. Now that I'm dressed, I am ready to apply my makeup. Before I do so, I take my microfiber towel, not the one for my hair, but the one for my face, and I gently tap my face with it to get rid of the excess oil that was not absorbed by my skin. I really did not like my hair that day. It did not come out nice at all, but this is not a video about my curls. This is a video about my skincare routine. So here we go with the makeup. If you guys follow me, you know that I am very minimalist when it comes to applying makeup. The brand that I like to use is NARS. Here I am using the concealer in the shade Biscuit. To blend my concealer and my foundation, I either use my fingers or this little silicone pad. I'm not sure what the name of it is because I don't know much about makeup, you guys. The foundation I'm using is also from NARS. It is the Medium Dark 2.6 in the shade Yuahin Sheer Glow. Yuahin Sheer Glow. I really like it. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, maybe. I'm not even sure. But I love how warm it is. I think it has like a gold undertone or orange undertone, and it works really well with my my skin tone. Shaded by the shadows of your insecurity. Don't know what to do in this gray area. Hard to see us through and it's been scaring you. We don't know what to do in this gray area. We gave it time. Girl, I tried and tried, but I can't change your mind. On the dangerous side of letting go in paradise, we become something so hard for me to recognize. Don't patronize, you live it, admit it. Listen with your actions, baby. In between with the words you say, shaded by the shadows of your insecurity. Don't know what to do in this gray area. Next, I'm putting a little bit of bronzer. This one is the shade called Casio, also from NARS. And finally, the blush is also from NARS and it's called Blissful. The final touch, my all-time favorite, the perfume. It is the La Vie est Belle from Lancôme. Well, that's it, my love. This is my skincare routine from start to end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy the content. Don't forget to share with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy and healthy. Have a Merry Christmas and a beautiful 2021. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.